So check it. This is what work is smoking on. You want it down first? Alright. Yay! Yummy shatter shatter! Look at, there's still some more.
Yeah.
When you keep it in there too long, when it's cooled down, it just sticks to it. That's why.
Yeah.
See, look.
Oh shit, he still has.
Oh, boops. Boops. Boobies. You ready?
Yeah.
Here you go. Smoking on mini nectar collector. My turn now.
I should have brought a damn mirror or something.
Choking. Oh,
It's all dainty, dude.
right.
Damn it.
Hot box and dabs. Straight up hot box and dabs right now.
Oh yeah.
I love it.
Oh yeah.
This is the real stoner's life.
Yeah. In my car.
Daily basis, like dabs all day.
Adventures. In my car. Remember that one time we had like fucking 12 people all around in here? We gotta do that, dude. We'll all fucking be clowns for Halloween.
Yes.
And we'll fucking pack it up in here.
And just pop
And
out
you know
in front of
what?
a group of people.
And like each of us will have like a puppet or something that's like our size. And we'll like, you know, so as we're coming out, it looks like there's more. But honestly, it's just a puppet.
Get
Smoke
close.
that tree.
Back to this beautiful piece. Where did you find this?
Cannabis cover.
It's gorgeous because you're related too.
Right.